Good morning, dear students. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So this is a video of class 10. And in this video, we are going defining of metal. Dear student, that the extraction of metals can come in the metallurgical process, and in this one, we actually discuss about how to get the metals. The last step of the extraction of the metallurgical process, we can say, and that one is refining. Refining is one of the process by which we can obtain the pure metals from the impure metal. Okay, now just you can see the definition here. It is written, refining of metal is the process of purifying impure metal. So the question is that when we are actually obtaining the metals from the extraction process, that is impure metal or crude metal. That crude metal is not 100% pure. Okay, now so that's why we have to go to do the refining, and for that one you can see various procedure of refining are there. Okay, now but in our syllabus we have to do about the electrolytic refining. The principle of electrolytic refining is based on the electrolysis. Okay, now to break down with the help of the electricity, to break down some of the compounds into ions by the help of a electrolysis. Okay, now with the help of a electricity. So here the question is the refining, how the refining will be carried out, we will discuss about, and what we are actually going to deal in the refining. Okay, now so we have to discuss about that one. So here we'll move to do the next slide. You can see. Okay, so second one is the electrolytic refining. And the electrolytic refining, we know that we have to purify one of the metal, and suppose our metal is copper. Suppose our metal is copper. Although you can see here it is written that this method is generally used to purify silver also, copper also, gold, nickel, chromium, zinc, lead and aluminium. But we have to take one example, and we are taking the copper. Suppose our crude metal is there, so we have to obtain the pure copper. So for that one, what we have to do, we can see here, you can see here it is written a pure metal strip is taken as cathode. So this pure metal, that should be thin cathode would be made. That thin pure strip you will take from somewhere, and you will actually make it cathode. Impure block of metal is anode, and this one it would be very thick. Okay, now this one would be very thick. Okay, now only crude metal we will take, and we will make it as the anode. How will you make anode and how will you make cathode? You should think about that one, because after connecting it with the DC current, with the positive to positive terminal, it will be made as a anode, and negative to negative terminal it will be made as a cathode. Okay, now so, and metal salt solution, here it is written metal salt solution is taken as electrolyte is one which is actually through it electricity can conduct. Okay, now the ions can be the responsible of conducting the electricity. Now you can see here the anodic reaction, and here is the cathodic reaction. How will you do that one, you will understand later on. So I will give you one of the diagram, and in that one you will understand. Okay, now you can move to do the next one. Here I will make one diagram, and you will understand each and everything. So here I am taking one of the beaker, and you can see here I have taken one of electrolyte, and this one is CuSO4. Okay, now Here I have taken two terminal, one cathode, one is connected with the negative terminal, so this one is cathode, and one is connected with the positive terminal, this one is known as anode. Okay, now this one is copper sulfate, because you have to understand that if I have to purify the copper, then same metallic salt solution I have to take. Okay, so I have taken copper sulfate. Now what will happen, this cathode is pure, this cathode is pure, and this anode is impure. Okay, so impure is thick one, impure is thick one, take more thick of this rod, more thick one, and this one is very thin one, thin strip. Okay, so this one is thin one. Now what will happen, electricity would start conducting by this solution. Your anode is of impure copper, so some of the anode, the some of the copper will uh, decompose and fall into this one, fall into this solution. Okay, there are two types of the copper you will see in the anode. First one is soluble and second one is insoluble. Okay, first one is soluble and second one is insoluble. So soluble will mix into the solution and go towards cathode, but insoluble will settle down at the bottom. Here it will settle down at the bottom, and that one is known as anode mud. That one is known as anode mud. Okay, just settle down at the bottom of the anode only. Okay, and the soluble copper will go towards the cathode. So the reaction you have understood. I am actually summarizing one more time. Here I have taken cathode, here I have taken anode. Cathode is the thin strip, anode is thick strip, because anode is impure. Impure metal act as anode. Impure metal will go into the solution. There are two types of the anode, copper, anode not copper, impure metal. One is soluble, one is insoluble. Insoluble will just settle down because it will not mix into the solution, and then soluble will go onto the cathode. Okay, by releasing, by gaining the electron, I will tell you. Okay, and then after you will see this cathode terminal, which was thin, will become very thick, and that anode is losing its copper metal, so anode will become thin. Earlier it was thick, now it is losing copper, so it will become thin. Okay, so this is the thing you should know. Now here you can see that here the reaction is written. Suppose in place of M I have taken copper. Copper is in the solid state, so copper will form Cu2 positive, and it will have this one Cu minus. Cu will lose 2 electron, it will form Cu2 positive, and this one is the anodic reaction. Cu was copper was at anode, and copper has lose 2 electron, so it has formed copper 2 positive. Now at cathode it will go, and cathode is having availability of electron, so at cathode it will gain 2 electron, and it will form copper, this metal. Okay, so this is the thing you should know. Okay, so that's it for all that refining procedure. I will say thank you all of you, take care of yourself, thank you.